Good morning, students. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, each and everyone. In this lecture, in the previous lecture, we have learned the portrait of Bhagat Singh. I hope each and everyone have done it properly. So, in this lecture, we are going to make a flower bouquet. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a flower bouquet. So, for making this flower bouquet, what we need, the materials are: we need a black paper for making the bouquet. Okay, and for making the flowers you can use red color craft paper, you can use pink color craft paper. If you don't have pink or red, you can use yellow or orange color craft paper. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make this flower. And for making the stem of the flower, we need green color craft paper. Okay, for making the flower, for making the leaves and the stem, we need green color craft paper. So how many color craft paper we need is, we need one black color craft paper, we need red color craft paper of same size. But what I have done is, I have folded this page into four equal parts, and then I have cutted this strips. Okay, I have cutted this squares out of this. So you have to also cut the things ready, and we are going to make the flower out of that. So I hope each and everyone is ready. Yes, so let's begin with this. So first thing what you have to do is, we are going to make the bouquet. So for making the bouquet, it's very easy. You just have to fold the page, you have to make a cone. Okay, what you have to do, you have to make a cone this way. Just look at this. Yes, you have to make a cone of this, and you have to, what you have to do is, you have to stick the paper. Okay, you have to stick the corner of the paper. Okay, this way you have to make the cone. Yes, and this side, the open side, you have to stick it properly. So for sticking, you have to use the Fevicol. Okay, so let's do it. So here I am taking the Fevicol, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to paste the side. I'm going to apply the Fevicol on the side. I just show you, wait a minute. Yes, just look at this. Here I have applied the Fevicol, and now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold the page. I'm going to make a cone of this in this way. See, this is how I'm going to make the cone. You can, if it's it's very difficult, you can take help of your parents if you want. So just look at this. This is how you're going to paste the corner properly, and this is how we have made the cone. Just look at this. Yes, I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to do it. Just look at this. This is the cone which we have made, and this is the corner part. I have stick the corner part with the Fevicol, and this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Okay, you have to keep it aside. Okay, keep this part aside, and what you have to do is, we are going to move for making the flower. Okay, so you have to keep this part aside. Okay, after making this, so this is how you're going to make the cone. Yes, any doubt till here? This is how you're going to make the cone. Yes, so we are going to keep the cone aside, and now what we are going to do, we are going to make the flower. Yes, just look at this. Okay, we are going to make this flower. So for that, what you need is, the first one is, I'm going to take a red color paper. Yes, this is a red color paper. What you have to do is, you have to cut this red color paper into a circle first. Okay, आपको ये चीज, ये जो पेपर है रेड कलर, इसको आपको एक सर्कल में कट करना है. You have to make a big circle in this way. Just look at this. This is the big circle which I have made. I'm cutting the edges properly, and this is how I have made the circle. Just look at this. Yes, I've cut a circle out of this paper. Just pay attention, each and everyone. It's really bit confusing how you are going to cut this paper. You have to make a concentric circle. आप देखो आपको कैसे ये पेपर को कट करना है. Just look at this. You have to cut the paper in this way. Just look at this. I have cutted a concentric circle. Just look at this. दिख रहा है सबको? मैंने concentric circle कट किया है. And now what I'm going to do, Shreya, look here, pay attention. You have to start folding this paper, rolling this paper. ये पेपर को क्या करना है? आपको रोल करना है इस तरह. You just have to start rolling this paper in this way. Just look at this. This is how I'm rolling the paper. Just have a look. Yes, I have rolled the paper and just leave it. Just look at this. Just look at this. Yes. Just look at this. By rolling the paper, here I have got a rose. Yes. I'll show you again. What you have to do is, after rolling this paper, ये जो आपका end है, ये नीचे वाला जो end है, you just have to apply a Fevicol on this. You have to apply the Fevicol little bit more because there are some much more part to get stick it properly. Okay, so after applying the Fevicol on the end, you just have to press the rose on that. You have to place the rose on that so that the rose get properly sticked. See, just look at this. Yes, ये जो अंदर का हिस्सा है आपको वो एंड जो नीचे का हिस्सा है वहां पे फेविकॉल लगा के आपको चिपकाना है. Just look at this. Okay, so I'll just show you again one more time. I'll show you. This is your paper, square paper है. इसको हमें क्या करना है? पहले सर्कल में कट करना है. So how you are going to cut the circle? ये जो एज है ये आपको सर्कल में ऐसे कट कर लेना है. Just look at this. Shreya, pay attention. This is your circle, right? Pay attention, each and everyone. What you have to do is you have to cut a concentric circle जो चक्री के जैसा होता है ना. Yes, very good प्रगति. So आपको क्या करना है? ये पेपर को इस तरह आपको कट करना है. Yes, this way you have to cut the paper and you have to start rolling the paper from the corner. You have to start rolling the paper. Okay, so this way you are going to roll the paper. Just look at this. Here I am rolling the paper. ये देखो इस तरह आपको पेपर को रोल करना है. Okay, you have to start rolling this paper in this way. So आपको एंड तक जाना है पेपर को रोल करते करते. जब आपका पूरा रोल हो जाएगा, this part is going to be remaining. Okay, so you have to apply the Fevicol on this part. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा आपको फेविकॉल लगाना है. Okay, so just look at this. Here I have applied the Fevicol, and now I am going to place this flower on this way. Just look at this. इस तरह आपको इसको प्रेस करना है अंदर से. ओके, आपको अंदर से प्रेस करना है इसको ताकि वो नीचे के बॉटम को चिपक जाए. Yes, so this is how you can make the rose. Just look at this. Yes, so here I have made two roses. Just look at this. Yes, so this is how you are going to make it. This is the big one. I have taken a big paper, and by taking a small paper you can make small flowers this way. Okay, after doing this, what you are going to do, here I have made the flowers. I will just make one more flower. Okay, for those who have not yet paid attention of feeling it bit tough, I'll just show you again. फर्स्ट आपको ये जो स्क्वायर पेपर है ये आपको कर्व में अपना एक सर्कल बनाना है. ओके, you have to cut this paper, this square paper, into a circle. Okay, after cutting this paper into a circle, what you have to do is you have to catch one corner and you have to start cutting this way in a concentric circle. This way you have to cut it. Just look at this. Look at my hand, how it's moving. Yes, this way you have to do it. This way you are going to do it. Yes, just look at this. This is how I have cut the paper. Now I am going to hold this corner and I am going to roll it. Okay, here I am rolling the paper in this way. Just look at this. This is how you are going to roll the paper. Just look at this. Okay, ये रोलिंग आपको पूरा करना है. Okay, एंड तक आपको करते जाना है. Okay, start rolling this paper in this way. आपका क्या होगा, एक साइड जो अपर वाला साइड है वो बड़ा आएगा और जो नीचे का जो साइड है वो छोटा आएगा. ओके, इन दिस वे यू हैव टू डू इट. करने के बाद जस्ट लीव इट. ओके, जस्ट लीव दिस. ओके, जस्ट आफ्टर लीविंग दिस देखो ये ऐसे होगा. तो ये जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है इन दिस पार्ट यू हैव टू अप्लाई द फेविकॉल. You have to apply the Fevicol little more so that it get properly sticked. So it can easily stick in this way. So just wait a minute. So just let it get dried. So just look at this. You have to hold this bottom and you have to put a finger inside and just press it properly. So what happens? This is how your rose is been made. Okay, so just look at it. I'll just show you. Just have a look at this. Yes, this way you can make the rose. Now we are going to now I'm going to teach you how to make the stem. Yes, for making the stem I have taken a square paper. I have cutted this paper into half. Sorry. Okay, I have cut the paper into half. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start roll this paper from a corner. Okay, I'll just start rolling this paper from the corner in this way. You know how to make the straw. Same way you are going to do this. Just look at this. Yes, after you finish with this, take the Fevicol, apply on the corner and just stick it. Yes, take the Fevicol and just stick it properly. So just look at this. This end is fat and this end is thin. Okay, this what you have to do, take the scissor. Yes, take the scissor and what you have to do, you have to cut the edge little bit. Don't do it much more. थोड़ा सा आपको ये चीज को कट करना है. Okay, after I have cut this edge, ये एज को थोड़ा सा ऐसे फैला दो and you have to apply the Fevicol. Okay, here I am applying the Fevicol on the top over here, and then I'm going to stick this flower over here in this way. ये देखो. Yes, I've stick the flower. Just look at this. Pay attention, Shreya. ये देखो. इस तरह आपको ये फ्लावर को चिपकाना है. Just look at this. Yes, ये एंड है. ये देखो, ये बॉटम पार्ट है. यहाँ से मैंने इसको ऐसे चिपकाया है, स्प्लिट किया दोनों एंड को, और मैंने क्या किया है, स्टिक कर दिया है. अब क्या करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द लीफ. ओके, फॉर मेकिंग द लीफ you can take a small paper, fold it into half. Okay, and we are going to make the leaf. Just look at this, cutting this paper in this way and adding some texture in this. This way you have to make the flowers. Yes, this way you are going to make the leaf. Just look at this, and when you open it, you will get a proper leaf. Yes, you can add a texture in this by folding the leaf in this way. In a fan fold way, you can fold the leaf and you can get a proper texture out of this, a real texture of leaf. Just look at this. Just have to fold it in this way, and when you open it, just look at this. Yes, this is a proper leaf we have made. Now what you have to do, you have to apply the Fevicol on the leaf, on the edge of the leaf. You have to apply the Fevicol, and then you just have to stick it in this way. I've stick the leaf. Just look at this. Yes, each and everyone. Yes, Pragati, very good. Very good, Pragati. Very nice. Yes, anyone else who have made? Just look at this. This is our flower which we have made. You can just make this kind of flowers and you can put it inside. Yes, the cone, the size of the cone is much more bigger. So what we are going to do, you can cut, your papers are small, this paper is big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slight cut, and I'm going to make a design out of this. You can do it in this way. Okay, you can just make a small size of this, and you can apply the flower, you can put the flowers inside this, and you can do it in this way. Okay, is that clear, each and everyone? So here I have already made some flowers. In this way you just have to put the flowers inside. Yes, just have a look. Yes, so this is how you can make the flower bouquet. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to make it. Just look at this. These are the flower bouquet. You just have to place the flowers properly, and your flower bouquet is ready. Just look at this. Yes, and now the only thing which we have to do is you can decorate this front part. So for decorating the front part, I'm going to make some bow. Yes, you can cut a bow out of this. So just look at, just wait a minute, I'll just show you how to do it. So this is your square paper. What you can do is you can make a bow out of this. So for making the bow, you have to cut the paper into half first. Yes, so this is how I'm doing it. Just look at this. This is how I'm cutting the paper. This is how you're going to do it. Just look at this, and then you can just cut this shape out. Just look at this. You have to make a X design in this way, X. Yes, this is how I made the X. Just what you have to do is you just have to fold this paper in this way. Yes, ऐसे चारों को आपको पीछे फोल्ड करना है. Yes, after folding this paper, you just have to stick it. So this is how you can make the bow. Just look at this. This is our X. So we have to start applying the Fevicol on the corner. You have to apply the Fevicol on all the four corners. You have to apply the Fevicol in this way, and then you have to start folding it in this way. One on this, on the center you have to fold. The second one will go upon this on the upper side. Then same way, एक के ऊपर एक आपको ये stick करना है. This way. Just look at this. Yes, I have stick the four parts over here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two strips. I'm going to make two strips out of this. Just have a look, each and every one. ये दो strips आपको cut करना है, and you just have to fold it in this way. Yes, in this way you have to fold it. और ये जो edge है आप इनका, इसको आप ये ribbon के जैसे आप उसको cut कर सकते हो. Yes, this way you have to cut, and you can paste this on the back side. So for pasting, take the Fevicol, apply it in the center part. Okay, आपको Fevicol लेना है, apply it in the center part and just paste it over here in this way. So just look at this. This is how we have made the bow. Just look at this. Yes, I hope each and everyone has got this idea how to do it. And what you have to do, you have to paste this bow in the front of this. So for that, what you need is, again, you need a Fevicol, and apply the Fevicol on the back side of the bow. Okay, here I have applied the Fevicol on the back side. Just look at this, and I'm going to paste it in the front of the bouquet. As a ribbon, I am pasting it. Just look at this. Yes, just look at this, each and every one, pay attention. Yes, I have pasted this in the front this way. You can add some much more designery way. You can use much more different color of craft paper, and you can do it. Yes, just look at this. I hope each and everyone have got this idea how to do it. Yes, just look at this. This is how we have made the flower bouquet. Is there any doubt to any of the students? They can ask me. This is the bigger one, so it will go back. All the big size will go at the back. Just look at this. So this is how you're going to make it. Yes, yes, very good. Who is this? This is Pragati. Very nice, Pragati. Very good. Is there anyone who have made this flower bouquet? You have to make this bow. Pragati, you have to make this bow, right? Just look at this. You can you can decorate the flower bouquet. You can write some messages over here. Okay, you can give a proper border. Okay, this way you have to do it. So After doing this, you can add some, if you are having some remaining strips, you can cut a stars of this. So this is how you're going to make the stars. Just look at this. You have to cut some star shape out of this. You can draw a star and you can just cut the stars in this way. You can draw some stars and you can paste it. Okay, you can use any another different colors if you have. You can do it with that. So this is how I have made the star, and here I am cutting it. Any another design if you want, you can do it. Okay, so what you can do is, I don't want to make a star here. I'm going to make some strips out of this. So let's just pay attention how to do it. First you have to cut a strip out of this in this way. Okay, after cutting the strips, you can just make some small thin fine strips out of this. Okay, this is for decorating the bouquet. Here I have got a fine thin strip. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the Fevicol on the whole strip. Okay, here I'm applying the Fevicol on the whole strip over here. I've applied the Fevicol. Now I'm going to start pasting it on the corner, on the border of this, in this way. Just look at this. Here I have add the border over here in this way. You can do it. Okay, here I have got one more another strip. Applying the Fevicol on the corner. After applying the Fevicol, you can just add add a design over here in this way. This way you can add the designs. Yes, just look at this. Yes, I hope each and everyone have got the idea how to make this flower bouquet. You can use various colors and you can do it. Yes, I hope each and everyone have got the idea how to do this. Is there any doubt to any of the student? Is there any doubt regarding any queries if you have? How to, is there any difficulty for how to make the flower, how to cut the flower? Each and everyone have got the idea how to do this? Okay, very good. So this was our today's topic, flower bouquet. So